Assalamualaikum, my name is Nuraina Diana, matrix numbers 10 DPM 234 1075. I want to explain about computer hardware. Computer hardware refer to the physical component that make up a computer system. There are various types of hardware including. Computer hardware has two categories. First is internal hardware component. First is motherboard, main circuit board, for example ASU Prime Z590A. The motherboard connects and facilitates communication between various components include CPU, RAM and storage. Second is Central Processing Unit CPU, the brain of the computer. Intel Core i7, AMD Ryzen 5. The CPU process instructions, perform calculations and manage data flow. Third is memory, random access memory, for example 8GB DDR4 RAM. RAM storage data temporarily for queued access by the CPU, enhancing system performance. Second is external hardware. First, input device for user input, for example keyboard and mouse. Input device allow user to interact with the computer, providing comments and data. Second is output device for displaying information, for example monitor and printer. Output device process information to the user, like displaying visual on a monitor or printing documents.
Okay, now I will continue with the next point, which is application software. So application software is the R and user programs that serve specific functionality to help users accomplish their certain tasks. This also includes graphic designing, researching online, drafting documents, watching movies or playing games, and also managing finance, among others. Developers keep creating software applications based on evolving needs of users. So there are various types of application software, which are as follows. Okay, so for the first one is word processors. So word processor software, as the name suggests, is designed for making notes, typing data and documentation. Users also can use format, store and print their data and documents respectively using word processors. So for the second one is database software. Database software is also known as database management system, which is DBMS. It's also database software allows users to perform various operations on quickly retrieved data such as creation, management, organization, and modification. So some popular examples of DBMS are MS Access, DBase, MySQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and also FileMaker. So for the last point for application software is multimedia software. Users can perform certain actions on their computers, such as playing and recording music and video files, as well as creating images with the help of multimedia software. So this type of software has a massive application in the field of graphic designing, where users create image, animations, and edit video. So for example, like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, Windows Movie Maker and Media Player, CorelDRAW, and Picasa. So that's are one of the common types of multimedia processors. So now let's move on to the third point. So for the third point is programming software. Programming software is a programs and software that are created by coders by using different software tools that known as programming software. So one of the programming software is compilers. So the conversion of codes written by humans into lower level machine code is performed by compilers. So these machine codes can be interpreted directly by computer hardware. So while compilers serve a very basic purpose, they are the basis for creating even the most complicated and sophisticated software. So for the next one is debuggers. Debuggers play an essential role in ensuring your software or application performs well by testing and debugging the computer code. So for the last point is linkers. Linkers are responsible for combining various individual files from a compiler into a single executable file. So when the file converted as a result, it runs on its own without requiring a programming environment. So that's all from the last point for programming software. So that's all from us. Thank you.